Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. I hope you're in the best of your health and doing great. Students, as you know, that today is 30th of November and the day is Monday. And now it's the time for your English class. So get ready with your English A-books and notebooks. Let's open it and see which topic today we have to start. Yes, it's journal number 10, that is export quality, given on page number 115. Students, today you have to complete its reading and then you have to write its words meaning and word sentences in your English A notebook. Let's see. This story is based on an extract from a novel by Leena Dhingra. The author has lived in Ayub after leaving Lahore at the age of 11. Now, the way the author has lived in Ayub after leaving Lahore when she was at the age of 11. In this extract that is adapted, she describes the experiences of a woman on a shopping trip in a large department store selling handicrafts. Now let's see its first paragraph. The comparison of the cottage industries to a department store makes me smile. Now what makes her smile? That was the comparison. The comparison makes the woman smile because the cottage industries and the department store are nothing like each other. But there was given a comparison. Yes, section for this and that may be but similarities and there at the initial impact in more like entering Aladdin's cave. What is Aladdin's cave? A place piled high with wonderful objects. Aladdin is the hero of the Arabian Nights. Then the purposeful efficiency of our department store. The entrance lobby, that is the reception area, in keeping with the prevailing spirit of the wedding season, that shows that there was a wedding season going on, and an ostentatious display. Ostentatious display means the display of a wealth and luxury and an attempt to attract the attention of other. That was the attracting the display of gold glitter, color and craftsmanship, a mixture of old and new, past and present, that elaborates wedding chemises in red and deep pinks, an ornate antique palanquin hiding a wheeled and decked up bride, a delicately painted wooden horse with an embroidered saddle bearing a bejeweled and brocaded groom, brass pots, carved wooden chests, and more costumes hang in suspended animation. Now the display in the shop is ostentatious. It was ostentatious, attracting because it is bright and colorful and contain things like old and new, that elaborate and ornate. It is very showy. Now students, I hope you understood. Now this whole export quality was displaying the different things that was ostentatious, that was colorful, that was attracting the people. Now what you have to do, I have read first paragraph for you. Now you have to read the whole story and then you have to give its feedback. Now come towards its words meaning. Look at first word, that is decked up. Decked up means dressed up and decorated. Splendor, magnificence and brilliance. Brocade, thick, heavy, expensive material with raised pattern. Fragmenta, an incomplete piece. Demeanor, behavior or conduct. Muslin, plain woven cotton fabric. Exasperation, actions that cause great irritation, anger or annoyance. Squat, knee, bend, sit on one's heel. Word sentences. Comparison, there is no comparison between God and man. Palanquin, I want to sit in palanquin. Labyrinth, it is difficult to find way through labyrinth. Squeeze, an old aunt gave my check a playful squeeze. Smoothie, put the plans into effect quickly and smoothly. Now students, this is all. Now you have to read the whole unit number 10, and then you have to write words meaning and word sentences in your English A notebook and then share your work in the group. I hope you all understood about it. If you feel any query or if you want to ask any question, I'm there to tell you. Thank you, class. Have a wonderful day.